Quezon City Vespa Club!
Okay, let's proceed to our official Army Navy Philippine Vespa Days 2024 ribbon cutting and opening of Vespa Museum here at SM City, Bataan. Three, two, one. Welcome to the Vespa Museum here at SM City, Bataan.
We are Vespas! One Vespa! One Pilipinas!
Meron bang buy one take one ngayon? Kasi ako wala pa akong Vespa. Meron ba? Buy one take one para kasama si Mrs. So again, maraming salamat po at congratulations for this very wonderful event.
Enjoy po natin yung Bataan. Let's ride. Enjoy. Tandaan nyo lang po, one Vespa, one Pilipinas, one Bataan.
Mataas yan ha, ingat ha pagbaba.
And of course, hindi magiging successful yung event kung hindi dahil sa mga Vespa lovers katulad ng lahat. So, on behalf of Vespa Philippines, masyado marami yung pangalan ng Vespa Philippines sa Vespa Pilipinas. No? Moto Italia is the company that we use. On behalf of Moto Italia Philippines, we would like to thank each and every one of you for supporting the Vespa brand. Hindi namin we cannot express how thankful we are for all of you for promoting the Vespa brand one way or another, through your friends, through your relatives, to any of your nakikilala nyo na pinopromote nyo yung Vespa. So, sobrang pasasalamat namin dito, and we promise that as the distributor of Vespa in the Philippines, we will continue to help and support, especially Vespa Pilipinas, Vespa Federacion. We will always be here to support, to promote Vespa, to make sure that Vespa will be one of the most admired brands in the scooter industry, the scooter segment. No? Na pag sinabi mo naka-Vespa ka, iba talaga ang dating ng mga Vespa. So, Again, on behalf of Moto Italia, sobrang pasasalamat namin sa suporta nyo and we promise to return the favor. Thank you so much.
Their shared passion for Vespa, culminating in this coming together of your vibrant community, has greatly benefited the destinations that your iconic Vespas have visited. In behalf of the Department of Tourism, I warmly welcome the 500-strong Vespa enthusiasts from all corners of our beautiful country. Your unity exemplifies our shared love for the Philippines.
One of our grandstand. Initials po ay starts with the letter R. First name letter R. Ayun po yung starting with the letter R. Sino po ang naka-letter R na pangalan? Lapit po dito, lapit dito. Letter R, lapit po dito, letter R. Please po, letter R, lapit po dito, letter R. Okay, letter R. Letter R ang first name. Letter E ang second name. Second letter ng name, letter E. So R-E. Ha? Second letter is letter E. So ang pangalan niya, R-E yung start ng pangalan niya. Sigurado po kayo? Kayo lang? Sigurado? Ito po, sigurado po kayo?